Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and having a very good time at home. As you all know, this is our book of Islamiyat and we're gonna start our new topic which is dua for sneezing. Okay, what should we say when we sneeze? We say Alhamdulillah. That means all praise is for Allah. And what should we say when we hear someone sneeze? We say Yarhamukallah. That means may Allah have mercy upon you. Now I have an assignment for you. Open your book, page number 21. You have to learn these supplications from your book and you should cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Thank you.